Marine Corps currently has two models of Cobra in use, so the AH-1W, which has been in use since the late 1980s, and also the AH-1Z, which has been in use, fleet use now for approximately 4 years. My name is Captain Cobra. Specifically on the AH-1Z, the newest version of the Cobra is the Target Sight System, or the TSS. It allows us to have a greater flexibility on the battlefield to detect enemy forces from a further distance and also identify them from a further distance. Additionally, we carry more ordnance to the battle space. With the Cobra, both the AH-1W and AH-1Z, our main mission is to support the GC with fires. So we have the ability to bring diverse weapon systems that are organic to the AH-1 Cobra include the 20mm cannon, which can be found both on the AH-1Z and AH-1W. Additionally, we have an ability to carry a diverse amount of rockets. This includes HE rockets, flechette rockets, smoke, and also battlefield illumination.